About to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.
Tonight, we celebrate our freedom, our unity, and the spirit that brings us together. As these lights fill the sky, they remind us that America's brightest moments are the ones we share. Happy 4th of July, and may freedom